Hello, I want to share some exciting news with you about our wonderful Welsh food and drink. Firstly, I want you to join me in recognising the fantastic effort Wales has made to achieve such an impressive collection of Geographical Indication, or GI products. These products benefit from a high profile and are recognised for their special qualities by consumers around the world. In total, we currently have 16 food and drink GI products, which the Welsh Government has assisted to develop, from traditional Welsh Caerphilly cheese, Hallan Mon sea salt and Welsh lamb, to the latest addition, the Denbigh plum. Each product is Welsh to the core and uniquely linked to the landscapes and seascapes which nurture them. We now know, after the EU transition period, our existing GI products will continue to be protected under a new UK GI scheme, along with new logos, which you can see here behind me. The Welsh Government has worked with DEFRA, producers and consumers on the development of these logos, which will represent the unique and protected nature of these products to consumers. Our vision is Wales will continue to lead the way in recognising iconic produce. I really want to take this opportunity to encourage new applications for GI status from all food and drink categories in Wales. We want to be able to continue to champion Welsh food and drink products that can tell their stories of expertise, tradition and sustainability, all with a passionate sense of their distinctive origins. The GI mark promotes the heritage and culture of Wales and gives our products the certification of quality and uniqueness which they deserve and consumers desire. If you would like more information about the new UK GI scheme, please search for GI products on the gov.uk website.